Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We've got something pretty exciting on the channel today. This is a 8Y S3 that has a built motor. We'll be throwing it on the dyno. But before we get into that, big shout out to the owner for letting us review the full mods list with you today, as well as showcase the dyno results. Now, this vehicle, if you've watched the previous videos on the channel, you've seen it before, you know what it can do. Originally, it started off with a Garrett PowerMax turbo on a stock motor. After some time, the owner decided he wanted to push it a little bit more. So it has a built motor now and a larger turbocharger. So let's jump right into the mods list here. This is a 2022 Audi 8Y S3. Now these cars come with the same exact motor you would find in a Mark 8 Golf R, which is the EA888 Gen 4 motor. On the turbocharger side, we have a EQT Typhoon, which is a 61mm turbo. It's running about 45 psi, give or take. Injectors, we have 2150 cc's, dual RS3 low pressure fuel pumps, and AN-8 fuel lines. For the motor internals, it has been upgraded and it does have a ported head. This has been done built by Thomas. For the ECU, we have a Stage 4 custom file. For the DSG, we have a TVS Stage 4 custom file to match. For the clutches, they have been upgraded. This has a TVS race clutch for the DQ381. The car is lowered on KW coilovers. These are V3s. And it has Michelin Cup 2 tires wrapped all around. Now, from the outside, you might not think much about this car. It has the stock wheels and stock catback exhaust system. But once you pop the hood, it's a little bit of a different story. Immediately, you can see it has a upgraded intake manifold, a larger intake. If you look behind there, you can see the upgraded Typhoon turbo and a upgraded downpipe. So under the hood, you can tell it has upgrades, but from the outside, it just looks like a stock car that has been dropped a little bit. So let's go ahead and take this thing on the dyno and see what it can do.